So we used to use the conventional methods of marketing, like putting pamphlets in newspapers.
Because then we are calling each other pamphlet ही लग रहा है. And you know.
Let's talk about your favorite collab अभी तक क्या रहा है?
Hrithik Roshan. Yeah, we've not danced with him.
Yeah.
But we got to sit down and, you know, talk to him and look into his eyes.
Oh, this is the
Ultimate.
Hrithik fan.
Hrithik fan club.
Hrithik fan club, yeah.
Dance, dance, dance with Pari. Dance with Pari.
Hi, Pari हूँ मैं and this is Dance with Pari, where I speak to dancers, choreographers, people who are passionate about dancing. With me today is Nicole and Sonal, who together make Team Naach, and the timing couldn't be perfect because Team Naach को पूरे हो गए हैं 10 साल!
Oh my
10
God.
years! Welcome on my show, guys.
Thank you,
so
Pari.
much for having us.
How are you both?
We're good. We can't believe it's been 10 years, and also it feels great to be doing like a dance talk,
Yeah.
chat with you.
Yeah.
Also because Dance Day is also coming up, so it's all coming together.
So firstly, feelings, is it overwhelming? Is it like oh my god, we made it, we did it? क्या है?
I think the feeling is, hey, we're still here. Yeah,
That-
we're still
Yeah.
here. You know, and we touch wood, our classes, people are still coming. So
Yeah.
that's the most exciting part.
Also that, you know, when we started, this was never a plan.
Correct.
Doing interviews like this with these big lights and all of this was never a plan at all for us when we started 10 years ago. It was very simple. Two girls who wanted to just dance for fun as a hobby because we both grew up learning dancing in school and all of that. We literally got bored and we were like, kya karna hai? Start karna hai. Let's just do it for fun. And it just spiraled into something much larger than we could have imagined. So for me, it's that feeling that I can't believe that, you know, that decision to take that one class 10 years ago has brought us to this situation where we are in our lives and in our careers.
कैसे start हुआ? Did you guys, speak to each other कि यार कुछ ऐसा करते हैं? And then how did you both team up? ये team कैसे बनी?
So as I said, this was not planned at all. And we were visiting a co-working space that also had a studio.
अच्छा.
Okay, and back in 2014, there were no independent dance teachers. You had the bigger names, the dance companies who were teaching dance. I don't think there were too many independent dance teachers. And that studio was looking for someone to come and teach.
Okay.
And they sort of, gave us the idea that since you girls dance, why don't you come and do a session for fun? And that was how our first class started. It was literally put on our Facebook profiles.
Yeah.
And we invited all our juniors from college because we became friends in college
On the
Acha.
dance
on the
team.
dance team.
Hmm.
So then our juniors in college were like, hey, Nicole and Sonal, they dance and come, we'll go and we'll support. So we literally had friends, we had family, we had juniors, all people that we knew who came for our first class.
But the class was full.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So
पहली
support was
class
there.
full थी.
Yeah, it was full because honestly, all our friends and our juniors came, like
Correct.
she said, and they came out in good numbers. So thank God. Yeah.
When you look back at these videos, क्या लगता है देखकर? Like अभी जब 10 साल पहले के videos देखते हो, cringe.
First of all, outfit choices. Please don't go back and watch the video.
Production value was decent.
We didn't even know what the meaning of
क्या
production value is.
is.
When we look back now, it feels like you can actually see growth.
Growth.
You can see the growth.
सबसे बड़ा support आप दोनों के लिए individually और as a team क्या रहा है?
Number one, I think family. Because I feel like if my parents would have objected to this being a career, it would have, like, I'm the kind of child who would have been like, okay, mommy, papa keh rahe hain, nahi to nahi. I'm very obedient like that when my parents say something. So if they would have said that, no, Nicole, this is not right for you, don't do it or whatever. They were always like, you want to, okay, try it. Obviously, there were certain set of rules and conditions that were put on me that you have to take care of your financials yourself.
अच्छा.
Yeah, because they had told me very clearly, because it's not that ki haan jo bhi karna hai karo. So it was very realistic, and also they were like, you try, see what you want to do. They never objected. So for me, first is family, and second, I think friends, and obviously later on the team that we got on board and started working with.
We came on to social media to put our work out there and use it as a marketing platform. So we used to use the conventional methods of marketing, like putting pamphlets in newspapers. Because then we are calling each other pamphlet hi lag raha hai. And you know, and has it reached in anyone's house or whatever? Did you get any calls?
Yeah, we did that. We did.
Yeah,
We
and-
pushed to go to studios and pin our posters
Put in our
everywhere.
posters. We have done everything.
So, what do you guys like to be called? Choreographers, dancers, YouTubers, yeah, creators?
I like being called a teacher,
Hmm.
choreographer,
Hmm.
dancer, then creator.
Acha, last.
Influencer, so I don't like at all as a term.
Yeah, I don't relate to that.
I don't relate to that
What
term
are we
at all.
influencing?
Yeah.
Also, I'm always right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why is creator end mein?
Because I think that's just my
How your journey has been?
I think that's how my
Hmm.
journey has been.
Yeah.
for
What
me.
about you, Sonia?
I relate to myself as a dance teacher first and overall artist. Means I would want
correct.
to do different things. So, yeah.
Yeah. Has somebody come up to you and said that, thank you so much for inspiring us? What is that best moment that you can think of, Abhi?
I think a lot of people have come and told us. One is, they are more confident or now because they think that okay, we can do it, so they can also do it, or even try to pursue a career in dance or follow it as a passion to even learn.
Yeah.
Because not a lot of people thought of it as a proper career.
Correct.
Lot of girls look at it as a stress buster.
True.
And people who are real dance enthusiasts, so they are just very happy dancing.
Yeah.
And nowadays, I feel also like they are in terms of they don't look at size anymore while dancing. Means before maybe I guess media showed that you need to be a certain size to perform a
or
certain
dance.
way, or But now I like our company itself has every size, every height, and everything. So people are extremely open.
They
to
find us more relatable.
Yeah.
मैं relate कर पाती हूँ आप लोगों की choreography से because I think it's very millennial.
Yeah.
Let's just be honest.
Yes, I
है
agree.
ना?
It is.
है ना?
It is.
It is millennial.
It is
Let's
millennial.
be honest. So I was like, oh, मेरे type का है.
Yeah.
I enjoyed. I have fun. दिल से अभी भी it's a Gen Z world out there on the internet.
Yeah.
But दिल से कितने millennial हो?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
हाँ?
बहुत ज़्यादा. See, no offense to the other generation.
Of course.
I'm not going to name any other generation because our students are also
Yeah.
all generations.
Yeah.
But I think they'll say very millennial, very like old school Bollywood, very, Sridevi, very like Madhuri, very like, Urmila Matondkar, very that vibe also,
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they'll say it's full that, like full Bollywood, full, everyone is Desi before I get trolled on social media. But yeah, I think it's millennial for sure.
Yeah. Let's talk about your favorite collab अभी तक क्या रहा है?
Hrithik Roshan. We've not danced with him.
Yeah.
But we got to sit down and, talk to him and look into his eyes.
Please.
Look into his eyes.
I'm just so jealous. I saw that. And I was like, oh my God. You get lost in his eyes.
Yeah,
don't you?
absolutely.
है ना?
Absolutely. It was,
We thought we'd be cool and we were composed. There was a point where I also thought, I was frame my mind. I was like, I'm going to be extremely like chill,
Casual. Yeah.
casual.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
I'm not going to act like a fangirl and stuff like that. The minute I saw him, I'm your big fan. And I went into that, my eyes opened into another dimension. I felt.
Dimension, yeah.
And whatever he was saying at the end,
We were just like, yes.
nodding our heads.
Yes. I mean, it was an absolute honest, 12, 13, 16-year-old Nicole Sonal's dream come,
crush.
dream come true.
True,
And we were
yeah.
literally sitting there and, just, I think people must have spoken around us and we must have had maybe 1-2 inputs. But most of the time we were just like, yeah.
Fangirling.
Fangirling.
Major.
But apart from that was obviously a key highlight. Apart from that, collaboration, There have been so many.
Many, yeah.
There was,
yeah.
Say.
I enjoyed the collaboration with Vicky Kaushal last year.
Yes.
It was really nice. He's
Yes.
very sweet and professional and gives you time. And he's also a very good performer.
He is.
He's
Like,
amazing.
he's amazing. So
Huh.
that was a great collab.
What is a collab that you dream about now or you wish for now? क्या है अभी कोई dream collab?
Dancing with.
I want to SRK.
Oh,
I've become a full. I really liked him, but in the past year, though, I now Shah Rukh Khan. Hopefully.
Influences क्या रहे हैं while growing up? Like dancing inspirations कौन रहे हैं?
Madhuri Dixit for sure.
Hmm.
Hrithik Roshan also. And I think even Urmila Matondkar for me to an extent. You know, the whole from Rangila to the Yaire to the Chamma Chamma, all of that also has been, because even Karishma Kapoor, like, see, the thing is, like, you know, I grew up watching so much Bollywood. Madhuri Dixit stands out because of dance and expression and all of that. But the rest of them are just, as performers, dancers, everything, they have different flavors and, you know, body language. That also was so interesting and inspiring, because if one person was doing inherently very desi, then the other one was more Western and stuff like that. So,
टीवी के सामने खड़े होके hook step copy
Of
करना वो सब
course.
तो
of course, like even that song from Dar, which has Juhi Chawla running like Jadoo Teri, you know, she's wearing this long skirt and running around a college. I have worn my mother's skirt. I am maybe this small, but I have worn that long skirt, put a belt, and I have run around my hall, you know, trying to look for the guy who's singing. So that level of
You have a
craze-
picture?
She has, you know, she has a good
You have
amount
that
of
picture?
like
Share no. We'll cut this out.
I don't have this picture.
No,
but I
Jadoo
have
Teri Nahi, yeah, the
this
costume
one.
that you wore.
No, yeah, I don't have this picture. I have to. No, I
You
don't
should
have this.
recreate
But
that
even,
memory.
No, I have a picture of another one. You know, my parents also are such big Bollywood fans. There was a dance competition and they both got very involved. Okay, like my mom, I can still understand getting involved. My father also got involved.
I didn't know.
You know the story? And we had decided that Nicole is going, even Aishwarya Rai, oh my god, how could I forget? So I was dancing a solo on Nimbuda. Okay.
Have you done this?
I have done the whole 9 yards of that entire thing. My mother has got, and we were living in Nigeria back then. So we did not have access to, you know, Indian kind of fabric. Using Nigerian fabric, color, she has gone and she has made full chanya choli, dupatta, everything. I have a picture of that. And my father has gotten involved with, because that time you didn't know, na, right and left and everything, because you were looking at the television screen. And he's like, no, her right hand is moving, your left hand is moving. He bought the mirror, the dressing table mirror from the bedroom. So I'm saying supportive parents. He's bought this and he's kept it. He's like, now see from the mirror and how you do this. It was a whole thing. So yeah, very millennial, very like watching.
I know, I feel you. I so feel you. Like you did that, and I was like, oh yeah.
That was an iconic song.
It was an
Yeah,
iconic song.
iconic,
It was an
iconic,
iconic
iconic.
song.
What
That
about you?
costume also was pretty iconic that my parents
the blue.
put together. The blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the same Madhuri ma'am, Prabhudeva sir.
Yeah.
I grew up, my initial few years was in the south, so even Talapati Vijay sir, his dancing is insane. Then Hrithik Roshan and many.
Yeah, you can never say
many.
one.
Yeah.
Because
too
we
many.
never watch just one person, right? We
Sridevi ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. My mom is a big fan.
एक क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे for people, for them, right? अपनी जर्नी से क्या सीखा है that you would want to tell them?
you have any words of wisdom?
I feel like one is it's very important. It depends on if you want to be a teacher or a performer. One that like two.
I like
High
this. Yeah.
five. I
It's
agree.
very
Correct.
different.
Correct.
Like, you know, you should really
100%.
love teaching, and
Yeah.
if you want to be a performer, then you should, you know, concentrate on that. So based on that, train yourself.
Train yourself. Correct.
Train yourself. Know what is happening. You know, I think it's very important to keep learning and understand what you are also good at. What is your forte? Use it and be very consistent. Work hard. I think sometimes people think that, you know, is just about, hey, putting a phone in front of you and then just dancing. But there are a lot of aspects involved for,
If you want to take dance as a career, seriously.
as a serious, like seriously.
It's different if you want to be a dance influencer
or you
a
just want
dance
to create
creator.
trends. And
Yeah,
it's
that's
different.
very different from if you
Yeah.
really want to run a company, if you want to influence people's lives. That takes that's a whole other aspect. It's not about you just shooting videos. There's a lot that goes behind managing a company, building a team, doing finances, and
Yeah.
even like everything. And we've learned everything patiently through these 10 years. So for anyone who really wants to build a company or build a dance school, an academy, or whatever, as she said, train and understand that are you a good performer? Are you a good teacher? Because
and also choreographer.
are you a good choreographer also?
Thank you for being here on my show and for sharing your journey. And dance karte raho.
Thank you. You too. We can't
Yes.
wait to have you in our class whenever you have the
I will,
time.
of
Please
course.
come dance with us.
Pakka.
I want
And-
to ask you, who's your dance inspiration? And-
The world knows.
Oh,
It's
what?
Hrithik Roshan. It is Hrithik Roshan.
oh, this is the
Ultimate.
Hrithik fan.
Hrithik fan club.
Hrithik fan club, yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We had a great time. Thank you so much.
Radio Nasha.